As you can see, this is my hair like in March 2021, so please don't come for me with the bleach will damage your hair. So hi, this is me starting. I was about to dye my hair, or at least the black part, and remove the green part, which is actually blue but it looks green. I think I talked all about that in a video. So yeah, I'm about to start, man. So we are going to start off by sectioning my hair, and as you know, we work in sections. So I mixed this really bad batch of bleach. Not bad, like I mixed it bad. And I thought, oh, let me do the new growth first because the green will be very easy to come out of the hair. Lied to myself. The green is actually blue. I talked about it in the video. And blues, reds, and greens are very hard to come out of the hair because they have bigger pigment molecules. So I kind of like gave up on this video. Honestly, I gave up on this video so many times. I mixed a new batch of bleach, which was better. I did the damage control, I guess. So this is my hair. Oof. So blonde. I'm going to do a brown gradient. So I don't know if I'll put in this video because this video is such a mess. I started to filming, I'm not filming, blah 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 blah. So I will go and rinse this out and maybe wash it with pepper shampoo or something, and then I'll come back and do Aphogee protein treatment. Then as you can see, I'm still in my bleaching shirt, and I actually gave up on this video. I was like, I'm not going to do this video, but at this point I'm like, okay. So that's my second round of bleach for my ends because green, blues, reds are very difficult to take out. And my hair is really strong, but it's at its breaking point. I don't know, like, so I'm going to wash this out and maybe come back and show you guys with tea. I don't know, at this point in time I just hope recording this video all together, not post this video or come back and record some more. I honestly have no idea. Okay, so I literally have white. See, these are lighter than this because these were already this color, just that the green was covering it and I had to get the green out. This is literally white, almost white. Like, this makes me feel like I should add more bleach and like get platinum hair, but at this point in time, if I add any more bleach, my hair will come off. So I'm going to take my Aphogee protein treatment and yeah, do a protein treatment. Okay, I'm going to do a protein treatment on this hair right now. So I'm done, and you all know what's about to happen next. I have to let it dry, like really dry, and then we rinse it out and use the balancing moisturizer. I'm actually watching a video. Yo, it's 6:20 something. I've been at this for like since 4 because of the bleach. The first bleach was to bleach my new growth. Then after that was like lightening. I decided to remove some of the green, and when I rinsed it, I was like, the ends were light. Like my black hair was light, but then the green was still green. I can't believe it was still green. I was like, no, it won't work. It will not work. Then I did another bleach for just the roots, but then when it lightened, actually it didn't lighten because I made it lighter. The developer I was using was 40, and because I didn't want it to like damage my hair, I diluted it with water so that it would come down to like maybe a 25. Then I made the mixture lighter, but after everything I was like, no, this one won't work. I added more bleach, and I think that did the work. I didn't add any more developer, but I added more bleach. So I don't know. Anyways, that worked. I'm going to blow dry this and I have my blow dry right here. Funny enough, this morning I did a wash and go because I wanted my hair to be a little dirty so that when I come I can bleach my hair. As you all know, they said it's better to bleach hair on dirty hair than clean hair, because when you clean your hair, most of the oils on your scalp and everything is taken out and all that, so there'll be space for the bleach to irritate your scalp. And again, you all remember the last time I was doing this video, I'll link it out here. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. See the transformation it did to my hair. Anyways, if I didn't do that, like, how long was that? 5 weeks ago. If I didn't do like that like 5 weeks ago or whatever, I don't think my hair would still be standing at this point. Like, honestly, if you think your hair is breaking off and it's weak and it's just like no matter what you do it just keeps like breaking, try Aphogee, okay? But then please, it's protein, so if you're very protein sensitive, like sorry, but then like, yeah, try Aphogee. Anyways, I'm going to blow dry my hair for it to be like extremely dry, then rinse it off, use the balancing moisturizer, add a deep conditioner, and we're good to go. So I think I'll come back when it's dry. You guys have seen how it's dry, how hard it is, so I'll just, yeah, rinse it when it gets that dry, and then I'll come back here and do the moisturizing treatment. I won't really show you guys. I'll link the video up here so that you guys see. I know you all are seeing this, but this hair is so cute. I wanted to keep this hair for a while, like 2 more days or something, but my mom was like, what have you done on your hair? She was the one who just entered the room. I can literally do gray hair right now, but no, we have a plan. Actually, I wanted to dye my hair in 2 days time, but I guess I have to do that right now. I'm going to use a dull mahogany with cinnamon. Yeah. Okay, so that's me. It's in my hair. The bottom part has more mahogany than cinnamon, and the ending has more cinnamon, so that gave it this like ombre effect when it faded. Loved it. So I'm going to put some pictures at the end of the clip to show you guys how the hair looked, because after this I just ended a video. I like it, I want to do you something, no longer. Look how you come my way, you make it feel some way.